How to pay bills with OTC card. First, you want to check your card balance. You can use your phone or computer to check how much money is on your OTC card. You can usually do this through the provider's app or by calling the number on the back of the card. The second step will be knowing what you can pay for. Not all bills can be paid with an OTC card. Most OTC cards are for health-related items like personal care items, medications, medical supplies. You want to check your OTC catalog or contact customer support to see what's allowed. The third step will be going to an approved store. You can take your OTC card to a participating store like CVS, Walmart, and also some local pharmacies. You can use it at checkout like a debit card. The fourth step will be paying for the eligible items. You want to pick the eligible items, bring them to the counter and swipe your OTC card. It will automatically deduct the total from your balance. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.